Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will see how we can install Python in our PC like Windows 11 or Windows 10 and how we can run Python code in VS Code. So let's see. At first we will go to any browser and type Python download. Now go to download Python. So we will download the latest version Python 3.14.3. So I already downloaded this. So now we will click install. So we click there. We will click install now. Don't click custom installation. So before the install complete, I want to see this thing. If we write here Python minus version, see our terminal. So we don't have installed any Python yet. So close. So after completing that, we see there a Python version. So let's wait. So yes, our Python is installed. So now we will close this. Now we will check if Python install was successfully complete or not. We will come to our command prompt that called terminal. See, we will found a Python version here. So our Python is installed successfully. Now we will see how we can run a Python code in VS Code. So we open our VS Code. We go to extensions. We type here Python. So this 210.6 million, we install this extension. So extension is installing. It will take a little time. So our extension installed successfully. When the extension is installed, we will see an icon here. So now we write a Python code and try to run. So this is my folder. So hi.py. So this is our Python file, like hi.c. This is hi.py. So like this is our first Python code. Now we'll try to run. Hello world. So I am not. So one thing is missing. Look, if we run to Python code like me, you have to install one more thing, that was code runner extension. Look, this is code runner station. You have to install this. If this was installed, now you can run Python code like me, like AJ run code. If we change this, so like my Visual Studio Code Copilot is enabled. So AI typing code for me, it is like the AI that was written by Python, write Python code. That's interesting. So we will run this code. Look, hello world, welcome to Python. Acha, without slash n. So this is how you can install Python and you can run Python in VS Code. So I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. I usually make Bangla content, Bangla CSE related content, but this is a popular topic, so I think I should make it in English so that my channel get more reach. So if the video finds helpful to you, please like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.